Hi, I just wanted to welcome you to our video tour of 99 Glenview Road here in Meriden, Connecticut. Now this is a 2,400 square foot plus 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath colonial with a 2-car garage. What's great about this property is that you're in a real family neighborhood over here on the east side of Meriden with easy access to Route 15 and easy access to the highway on 91 or 691. And what's great about this house is that the rooms are very, very large. You have this wide open kitchen with this silestone countertops, which are very unique. You don't find them in a lot of houses. You have an open family room. You have a formal dining room, and you also have a wide open living room. Upstairs you truly have 5 bedrooms. You can use it as a 4-bedroom with a bonus room or like a second floor family room or an entertaining room if you want to put a large screen TV. You have a master bedroom suite upstairs, and you also have a full bathroom in the hallway as well. Now you have an unfinished basement, but you have a very large basement that you can finish off if you wanted to finish it off. Now this is a really kid-friendly yard. You have a covered porch. You have a lot of room for your kids to play around. And actually the area and the neighborhood is very kid-friendly as well. I just wanted to thank everyone for joining us for our video tour of 99 Glenview Road here in Meriden, Connecticut. And please join us for an open house this Sunday, April 13th from 12 o'clock to 2 p.m. and come down to the house and take a look for yourself. Thanks for joining us.